What's going on, guys? Big Dave here. Here's my sister here with the deep fried Oreos. What do you rate that, honey? Huh? 4 out of 10? Okay, now I'm going to do my review on these. Hold on a minute. Where the hell I put mine at? There they are. Alright. They look like. These are really good. I like these a lot better than from the Buckwheat Festival in Kingwood. I'm gonna have to give these 9.5 out of 10. Then I went to Nathan's. I never have been to a Nathan's. Should have got a hot dog. That's what they're famous for, but I ended up getting chicken tenders. Let's see here. Here's what the tenders look like. Try with ranch here. Very good. Very crispy. I'm gonna give that a 9.5 out of 10 also. There's the crinkle fries. Let's try one plain first. It's good. I'll give that 8 out of 10. Let's give it some ranch, spice it up a little bit here. It's really good. Give it a 9 out of 10. Try one of these plain here. That is delicious. Give that a 9 out of 10. Well, hey guys, I hope you enjoy the video. Take care now.